Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video covers my personal experience using the platform. Sovrn.com, located at the web address https://www.sovrn.com, is a comprehensive platform geared towards publishers looking to optimize their ad revenue. It boasts a suite of tools designed to help website owners maximize their earnings while simultaneously maintaining a positive user experience. The platform offers various solutions for publishers, covering a wide range of functionalities from header bidding and ad management to advanced yield optimization techniques. Sovrn emphasizes its commitment to providing publishers with greater control and transparency over their ad inventory. This focus on control allows publishers to carefully curate the types of ads appearing on their sites, ensuring brand safety and relevance. Furthermore, Sovrn's analytics dashboards provide valuable insights into ad performance, enabling publishers to make data-driven decisions about their monetization strategies. They also offer tools to combat ad fraud and ensure a secure and trustworthy ad environment. The company highlights its dedication to providing a quality service, with readily available support resources for its users. Whether you're a large publisher or just starting out, Sovrn aims to offer a scalable solution that can adapt to your specific needs and grow alongside your business. Their platform integrates seamlessly with various other ad tech solutions, providing a flexible and adaptable environment for publishers to manage their entire ad stack. Through its robust platform and focus on publisher empowerment, Sovrn positions itself as a valuable partner in the digital advertising landscape. They aim to empower publishers to take control of their revenue streams and build sustainable online businesses. With its comprehensive suite of tools and services, Sovrn presents a compelling option for publishers seeking to maximize their advertising potential.